I remember what Max was wearing because I couldn't stand it. I fell into the garbage whilst trying to be cute for the gram. Yahaw. Hi guys, I'm Maya and I have a YouTube channel called Shameless Maya, and my channel is all about inspiring myself and others to pursue life with less shame and fear. And today I am rocking a very cute Tommy Hilfiger outfit, and I'm gonna show you how I like to get my mind, body ready for the day, and you're gonna get to know me throughout all of this. Let's have some fun. I would say comfortable and cute. The very first thing I do reach for my phone, but I make sure it's not social media. I have affirmations and a devotional app that I read because the very first thing I want to be exposed to is positivity. And then I will meditate. I also work out in the mornings, smoothies, and then I will sometimes creep onto the social media. The first one that pops into my mind is from my mom, and her advice was, do what you love and love what you do. I regret the trend of thin eyebrows. In high school, that was such a look, like thin eyebrows, and I over plucked and tweezed my eyebrows, and they were just so thin, and I regret tweezing so much because now they can't grow back in. I guess we'd call it a first date. It was our first hangout. We were still friends, and I was wearing a Bob Marley tank top and denim shorts and flip-flops. I wasn't trying to impress nobody. I remember what Max was wearing because I couldn't stand it. Max was wearing this button-up, and I was thinking to myself, like, is this a date? But it wasn't until later that I got to know him that this button-up wasn't like a dressy button-up. It was his everyday button-up. But in the moment when I saw him for the first time, I'm like, oh no, I hope he doesn't think this is a date. On our date. What I love about Canadian fashion is the outdoors, especially in the winter. They have a lot of boots, a lot of jackets. In Sweden, they also have the same, but I do notice that Swedes have very clean aesthetics. Like, they look fierce and clean, like they look so modern chic. So I do like the clean, modern aesthetics, but I also like being able to be comfortable in the great outdoors. Very cute. She looks designer in her workout. What I really love about this is the ankles. They're not like super tight. I love the detailing. I just think it's really clean. It's very Swedish fashion. I guess I'd call it a hobby, which is learning how to speak Swedish. I would call it a cute language because it's so like, jaha. Hej, jag heter Maya. Välkommen till Tommy Hilfiger kanal. The key is to stay on top of it daily, which is the hardest part. So I have this post here, me and my husband Max. You can't tell this now, but I think this was taken moments after we were sitting on top of the garbage bin, and the lid was very fragile, so I fell into the garbage whilst trying to be cute for the gram. I think the biggest thing is having accessories and having a few staple pieces that you can alternate, like remix with each other, as well as a little bit of shopping. I can. I like to make sure I plan my day the night before. If I don't, I'll have an excuse to just skip it. Just my overall health, I really want to be healthy during this time, which includes working out, healthy, good immune system and body, or excuses and gray skies. It would probably be for track and field, and it's so random, but running long jump, which is what I did in high school. Like running and then a long jump. I don't know if it's surprising, but tennis. That backhand? She ain't no Serena Williams, I'll tell you that much. It gets so tight and sore. Like, give me the ping pong and let's play that. Bring it. Give me your best shot. Shamelessly Zen. Oof. 1. I like to work out by myself. Quiet environment. I need to focus. If I really want to get pumped, then I'll listen to music. But if I really want to focus, I just play nothing. A, moisture wicking, because I'm working out and I'm not trying to feel wet. First thing in the morning, A. I'm gonna go with teddy bear baby socks. Resistant? Okay, yeah, I'm wrong on that one. I have no idea. I'm just gonna shoot my shot. Tommy Sebastian Hilfiger? Darn it, okay. I'm still gonna get the next one. A, American Dreamer. Woohoo! Crunches, planks, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, push-ups. Canada, US, Mexico, UK, Sweden. Yes, yes, yes. Sleeping, cooking, watching TV shows, talking to friends. Max, Jackie, oxygen, shopping.
Not oxygen.
You've been paired with me. My name is Italy. We are going today through a People's Place Gym yoga flow. We're going to focus on the hips and shoulders to open them up. So when you're ready, let's go.
This is perfect because my hips are tight and my shoulders need to fall back. That was so good. Thank you so much, Italy. Thank you so much, Tommy Hilfiger, not only for that morning flow, but this cute outfit. She is cute and she is toasty. Make sure you guys check out the People's Place Gym. The link is in the info box below. And comment below and let us know what your morning ritual and routines are. And subscribe, turn the notifications on, and we'll see you in the very next episode. Bye.